I tell myself I'll go to bed early. Then it's 2 a.m. I'm deep into carpet cleaning videos, finally plugging in my phone and doing sleep math. How many hours left? How wrecked will I be tomorrow? Why do we keep making these deals, knowing exactly how we'll feel in the morning? Here's the paradox. The more exhausted you are, the harder it is to actually fall asleep. We steal time from our own rest, then wonder why our brains refuse to shut off when we finally give in. It's like the moment you finally slow down, your mind speeds up. Let's be real, I just want a little time for myself. So I end up watching some guy glue a chair leg instead of actually getting any real sleep. Sleep problems aren't about willpower. They're about biology, your environment, and 1,000 tiny things nobody talks about. After years of trying every sleep hack out there, here's what finally made a difference for me. And it's not what you usually hear. I used to roll my eyes at all the dim the lights advice, but when I finally tried it, my brain actually got the hint it was time to slow down. I made my bedroom a no work, no screens zone, just a book by the bed. Funny how a tiny change can make your whole room feel different. But instead of fighting my brain when I couldn't sleep, I tried that weird Reddit trick. I'd tell myself, don't fall asleep yet, you're not allowed. Somehow, the second I stopped trying, I was out. And if my mind still wouldn't shut up, I'd play alphabet games in my head, like naming breakfast foods from A to Z. It's boring, but that's the point. My brain finally gets bored enough to drift off, and when I actually manage to fall asleep before midnight, I let myself celebrate, even if it was just a quiet, nice job in the dark. Keep it simple. Bedroom equals sleep and maybe one other relaxing activity. That's it. None of this works if your bedroom feels like a New York subway in July. Crack a window, drop the temperature, let some real air in. Your body needs cool, fresh air to actually let go. Temperature matters more than you think. Cooler is better, around 65 to 68 degrees. If you can't control the thermostat, just cool your feet. Weird, but it tricks your body into sleep mode. These are the only sleep habits that have ever actually helped me, and it means a lot to share them with you. Tonight isn't about fixing everything. It's about finally doing one thing that's actually for you. The smallest change tonight can rewrite your whole tomorrow. Found something useful? Hit subscribe and tell me in the comments which one thing you're actually willing to try. If it made you pause, stay with it. Subscribe. This isn't the last clarity drop. And if something in this hit home, share it below. Thanks for watching Snapside.